Alrighty guys, so here we are at Matt Mormon's Obsessed Garage here with all his car collection. And here we got his GT3 RS. Absolutely gorgeous. Obviously, you know, this is absolutely super well kept. Look at those lime green seats inside, PDK. Wow. YSAC RS edition. Absolutely beautiful car. Dialed in, of course. GT3 wing. Just, I mean, just all the gorgeous, just the way everything is. So clean, so perfectly. I mean, yeah, this guy doesn't seem to see the road. So clean. Absolutely beautiful. So here we got the wheels, obviously on Michelin. Everything just perfectly cleaned. Wow, so gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful Porsche GT3 RS. So here's his newest collection, or his newest car into the collection. This 2005 E46 M3. Obviously this is a non-comp model, but it's got the comp wheels on it, but absolutely stunning color. And this comes from AEG. So this is from our friends up there in Ohio. Super nice. And as you can see, the interior is spotless. This thing smells brand new inside almost. So you got some embroidery here, black leather interior with seats, no navigation, of course 6-speed manual. Wow, absolutely, it's beautiful M3. I mean, excuse me, yeah, M3 of course. So, and over here we got a Tesla Model 3. Obviously this has got some mods on it, sitting low. I have not driven one of these yet, which I will. This thing looks so awesome too, so simple, but really nice. Spotless white interior, which is absolutely kind of interesting to keep clean. But this, yeah, this Model 3 is super nice. Obviously, we got the black panoramic roof in there, and of course, we got the GT4 Cayman GT4. Absolutely beautiful car. This thing is stunning. And obviously we got some it's here, we're in a dark place, but wow, this thing is so gorgeous. Man, look at that. Matt, you're gonna watch that. That's gonna be somebody put their hands on it. Absolutely beautiful car. Those wheels, those Porsche brakes. Wow, so clean. GT4. And of course we got the wing back here. Wow, what a stunner of a car. This thing is so beautiful, so small. And of course here we got the interior with a little more lighting here. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Of course a 6-speed or 7-speed, no, it's a 6-speed, I apologize. I'll make sure of that, but wow, what a collection Matt has. Look at this Tesla E46, E36, Raptor, GT3 RS, and GT4. So, wow, it's really nice. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Good. So we have Matt's E46 M3 from AIG or EGA, whatever. So, stunning 2005 E36. Super clean. Just looking at all the weather stripping. That's a little bit of, like matte mention, but and so all right guys, that's a wrap from today. Awesome place, can't wait to come back and purchase some stuff, make a list. And a lot of cool cars, a lot of great people. Met some great car enthusiasts today. So all right guys, have a good afternoon, see you in the next one. Have a great day, take care, bye bye.